Namaste to all future officers. Welcome back to my channel. Every successful division begins with perfect coordination, just like a well planned mission. Every our cells have their own team that ensure everything happens with precision. But have you wondered who holds the chromosomes together, who pulls them apart, and who directs this entire process like a commander? Today's let's let's unfold this fascinating story of centromere, kinetochore, ester, spindle fibers, which are the real heroes of cell division. So by the end of this video, you will clearly understand how this structure work together during mitosis and meiosis and how questions on them are framed in NEET, AIMS, UPSC, BPSC, state PCS exams. And my dear aspirants, so stay tuned because once you visualize this, you will never you will never forget it again. So just like a teamwork leads to success in life, these cell structures show us that coordination is the key to perfection even inside our bodies. Let's see how nature's teamwork operates at the cellular level. So let's dive into the world of kinetochore, centromeres, spindle fibers, aster, and many more, along with the PYQ previous year question. Centromere and kinetochore are two primary important structures which are located approximately in the middle of chromosome. Look at an image. Centromere is given, kinetochore is given, image is given, and kinetochore microtubules is also given. So, at the time of cell division, during cell division, they are extremely important for sister chromatids and help in the separation of sister chromatid during cell divisions. And the primary difference between centromere and kinetochore is that the centromere is present at the region of centromere is present is at the region of chromosome that holds which help in holding the two sister chromatids help in holding the sister chromatids, whereas the kinetochore is the disc shaped structure. Kinetochore is a disc shaped structures which is a protein complex of the chromosome, help in the formation of microtubules. So centromere is a chromosomal DNA segment that is constant, condensed. Kinetochore is a protein complex that is put together on the centromere of chromosome. So kinetochore is a protein complex that is put together on the centromere of chromosome. I have seen you in an image I've shown you image in a previous slide. Now, centromere is visible with a light microscope. Kinetochore is visible with an electron microscope. It is comprised of centromere, very important point. It is a PYQs. Centromere is comprised of centric heterochromatin. I'm going to explain euchromatin and heterochromatin also. Centromere is composed of which type of chromatin? Centric heterochromatin. Kinetochore is composed of specialized histone type protein, and name of that protein is CENP A. Centromere consists of four positions: telocentric, acrocentric, submetacentric, metacentric. Kinetochore consists of two layers. I will explain in this video itself all the four positions of centromeres. Kinetochore consists of two layers, the inner and outer kinetochores. It has two layers, the inner layer and outer layer. Centromere may be holocentric or monocentric. The kinetochore is only one type protein complex per centromere. Now about centromeres avoids interaction with the microtubules. There is a no interaction centromeres. There is a no role of interaction with microtubules. But about kinetochores, there is a about 20. How many? About 20 20 anchoric spots that can be found on the outer layer of kinetochores for holding, for interacting with microtubules. Primary function of centromeres, it helps in holding sister chromatids together. So it's centromeres help in holding two sister chromatids together, Kinetochores create a location for the attachment of microtubules. Centromere does not have a corona, and then kinetochore usually have a corona. So centromere is a region of duplicated chromosome that connects two sister chromatids. Look at image centromeres, and then it's a help in connecting two sister chromatids. And these are yellow and blue chromatids. Sister chromatids are become homologous chromosome, one from father, one from mother. So these it is a homologous chromosome. One is coming from father, one from mother. The kind of heterochromatin which is located in the centromere of a chromosome is a centric. Which type of it is centric heterochromatin? Centric heterochromatin is this also concept I'm explaining in this video along with an image. Now there is a presence of pericentric heterochromatins which surround the centric heterochromatin in both the direction. This image I'm also showing you. The two sister chromatids that collectively make the replicated chromosome are complected by protein complex, cohesin protein complex. Kinetochore is a protein complex assembled on the centromere of the chromosome, which is responsible for binding microtubules to the centromere of the chromosome. So kinetochore is present and which help in the responsible for binding microtubules to the centromere of the chromosome. So on chromosome, there are two different kinds of centromeres. One is the point centromeres and second one is the regional centromeres. To generate centromeres, point centromeres interact with a particular protein. So regional centromeres can also arise on other DNA sequence. However, the centromeres form on a distinct DNA sequence. Centromere form in a distinct DNA sequence. Everything which you have thinking that it is doubtful, I'm explaining in this video. No need to worry. The centriole is derived from the word centro, which means centro, Greek word centro and mere. So centro means center and mere means part, central part. So when a cell divides, the centromeres, which resemble a constructive area of a chromosome, which is a fundamental unit which help in the cell division of DNA within the cell. The process is mitosis and meiosis during the metaphase stage. So during the metaphase stage. So when a cell divides, the centromere, which is a condensed part of a resemble a constructive area of chromosome, which resemble as a constructive area of a chromosome. Centromere resemble as a constructive area of a chromosome, is a fundamental structure which help in the division of DNA within the cell, either चाहे वो process mitosis हो, meiosis हो, और किस stage में है, metaphase stage में है. So centromeres can be identified morphologically by their heterochromatic staining pattern. किस तरह का ये रहता है? Heterochromatin है, euchromatin नहीं है, staining pattern है. An appearance at metaphase and anaphase in the chromatin. Appear होता है metaphase में, anaphase in the chromatin stage. So the area where the cell spindle fibers are tethered is the centromeres. Attached is the centromere. So there is a presence of two identical sister chromatids that make up the replicated chromosome, are dragged to opposite side of the dividing cell once the spindle fibers have been anchored to the centromeres. It results in the identical DNA in two daughter cell. So sister chromatids जब replicated chromosome में अपोजिट साइड जाते हैं डिवाइड करके, और किसकी मदद से? स्पिंडल फाइबर्स की मदद से, जो एंकर्ड होता है कहाँ पे? सेंट्रोमियर से, विद द हेल्प ऑफ काइनेटोकोर्स रिजल्ट करता है टू आइडेंटिकल डीएनए बनाने में, टू डॉटर सेल, टू offspring banane mein. So the centromere serve as the foundation for a protein, and the protein name is a kinetochore. So what is a kinetochore? It is a protein complex. So kinetochore is important because it attaches the sister chromatids to the mitotic spindle, thereby facilitating helping chromosome division. Before the onset of mitosis, the centromere is present. It is the important point. Before the onset of mitosis, the centromere is present. Now about the next PYQ is the chromosome serve as the foundation for a protein. If the question is coming, which protein? The kinetochore is a protein complex. It is also a PYQ. The centrometric region is thought to contain constitutive heterochromatin. So it is a consist which type of chromatin? Heterochromatin. It is again one PYQ. The lengthy repeating base sequence that make up centromeres in higher eukaryotes are typical. These repeating sequences in human are termed alpha satellites. Repeating sequence like it centromeres in higher eukaryotes are called alpha satellites. It is also PYQ, alpha satellites. The centromeres in eukaryotes like Saccharomyces cerevisiae is much shorter, which is only 126 base pair and it does not repeat. It is also another PYQ. द सेंट्रोमियर इन यूकैरियोट्स लाइक सैक्रोमाइसिस सर्विसेज छोटा होता है और वो रिपीट नहीं करता है डिस्पाइट बीइंग ए क्रोमोसोम कंपोनेंट ये सेंट्रोमियर क्रोमोसोम का कंपोनेंट ही तो हुआ उसी का पार्ट हुआ सो द सेंट्रोमियर इज ए पीस ऑफ नॉन कोडिंग डीएनए डिवाइड ऑफ जेनेटिक मटेरियल इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट पी बाई क्यू इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पी बाई क्यू डिस्पाइट बीइंग ए क्रोमोसोम कंपोनेंट ये क्रोमोसोम का कंपोनेंट ही है but centromere is a piece of non-coding DNA डिवॉइड ऑफ जेनेटिक मटेरियल ये जो नॉन कोडिंग डीएनए का पीस है इसके पास जेनेटिक मटेरियल नहीं होता है Now, structure of centromere, it is a huge variation in centromere architecture among the, various creatures. Kinetochore and DNA associated proteins make up the majority of centromeres components. Kinetochore and DNA associated protein है जो बनाता है centromeres के component को. Kinetochore क्या है? For precise chromosome का जो separation हो रहा है, जो segregation होता है, the vertebrate kinetochore is a complex मेगा डाल्टन प्रोटीन स्ट्रक्चर है वर्टिब्रेट का कंटोकोर क्या है कि कॉम्प्लेक्स मेगा डाल्टन प्रोटीन स्ट्रक्चर है जो डिटरमाइन करता है अटैचमेंट बिटवीन द क्रोमोसोम एंड माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स ऑफ द माइटोटिक और मियोटिक स्पिंडल को जो ट्रांसफर करता है मदर सेल डुप्लीकेटेड जीनोम को मदर सेल के डुप्लीकेटेड जीनोम को सेटअप जीन को उसके डॉटर्स में उसके ऑफ स्प्रिंग में so through intricate mechanism synchronizing within the life cycle एक intricate mechanism synchronize होता है सेल के अंदर में चलता है kinetochores assembled होता है centrometric chromatin में additionally kinetochores regulate the feedback system which coordinate the attachment of chromosome to the cell cycle and correcting erroneous microtubule attachments करेक्ट करता है कि अच्छी तरह से माइक्रो एरर फ्री माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल अटैचमेंट हो एक सेंट्रोमियर मदद करता है सो ये मदद करता है प्रिजर्वेशन अक्रॉस सक्सेसिव जनरेशन सो इट इंश्योर आल्सो द प्रिजर्वेशन अक्रॉस सक्सेसिव जनरेशन so it's in the point is about the chromosomes regulate the feedback system coordinating the attachment of chromosome to the cell cycle and correcting erroneous macrotubule attachment. It is a PYQ. It help in the correcting erroneous macrotubule attachment. There should be no error. Now, DNA associated protein, the centromere DNA is typically in the form of heterochromatin form, which is necessary for separation during anaphase and the attachment of sister chromatids, which is mediated by Cohen complex protein. It is also very important PYQ. The centromere DNA is typically in which form? Heterochromatin form, which is required for separation of this sister chromatin during anaphase and the attach and also help in the attachment of sister chromatids, which is and in that there is a presence of cohesin complex protein kinetochore. So position of centromeres and the types position of centromere based on that centromere types are acentric, metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric. So I am first showing you image telocentric, telocentric, acrocentric, submetacentric, metacentric. Short arm P arm or longer Q arm. So eccentric describe a chromosome that lacks a centromere. Eccentric, A means absent. So there is a chromosome which does not have centromere. So during cell division, it is improperly segregated, separated. It quickly disappear in succeeding cell cycle. जब cell cycle continuous चलते रहता है तो ये कभी-कभी segregate हो जाता है, disappear हो जाता है फर्दर सेल साइकिल में, सक्सीडिंग सेल साइकिल में। मोनोसेंट्रिक क्रोमोसोम हैव ओनली वन सेंट्रोमियर। मोनोसेंट्रिक जो क्रोमोसोम है उसके पास सिर्फ एक सेंट्रोमियर होता है। सो सेंट्रोमियर आर ऑलमोस्ट इनवेरिएबली लोकेटेड विद इन द हेट्रोक्रोमेटिक सेगमेंट्स on the monocentric chromosome that are present in the majority of which plants animals. It is present in metazone plants and animals. So monocentric chromosome are present in metazone. M for monocentric, M for metazone. It is present in metazone plants and animals. Monocentric chromosome have only one centromere, which are located within heterochromatin segments on the monocentric chromosome. Now, according to centromere types, based on the position of centromeres, types are metacentric. Meta means middle, center. Meta means center. So, center of metacentric chromosome, the centromere is situated in the center of metacentric chromosome, ensuring that both parts are of similar length, identical length, equal length. Metacentric human chromosome are 1, 3, 16, 19, 20. 1, 3, 16, 19, 20. Submetacentric chromosome, little imbalance in the length of two parts. Two parts are not equal of submetacentric chromosome because the centromere is slightly off center. It is not present it is not present on center. The submetacentric is present in human chromosome 2, 4 to 12, 2, 4 to 12, 17, 18, and X. Acrocentric chromosome is substantially off center. It is also not present on center. Centromere on acrocentric chromosome causes very long and very short segment. बिल्कुल ही unequal होता है. ये present कहाँ होता है? Include human में 13 to 15, 21, 22 and Y chromosome. So telocentric, acrocentric, submetacentric, metacentric. Dicentric describe a chromosome that has two centromeres. Look at an image. It is a normal chromosome, dicentric chromosome. It has two centromeres. Chromosome breakdown followed by fusion frequently result in fusion. It frequently result in dicentric chromosome. So at anaphase, when the centromeres are tucked in opposite direction, अलग होना शुरू करता है, separation शुरू होता है, तो that time a dicentric chromosome typically क्या करता है, break कर जाता है. At anaphase, the centromeres are tucked in opposite direction, वो खींचता है spindle fibers, so dicentric chromosome break कर जाता है. Certain plants have holocentric chromosome that have evolved yet unknown defense against this issue. अभी तक इसके बारे में जाना नहीं गया है. Hence, the centromere's location offer a helpful marker for categorizing chromosome into karyotype groups and creating a uniform nomenclature for mapping the location of genes on chromosome. So these are the importance of centromeres to which help in the nomenclature for mapping the location of genes on chromosome. Telocentric chromosome as image is visible centromere and centromere arm. Centromere is located at the end of telocentric chromosome. Telocentric chromosome are not present in human. Again, PYQ. Telocentric chromosome absent in human. But present in some are not present in human but in some other animals such as mice. कुछ animals में भी नहीं है, वो animals क्या है, mice. Now कुछ organism है which contain holocentric chromosome with dispersed centromeres such as plant in the genus Luzula. So these chromosomes have centromeric heterochromatin dispersed along their whole length. पूरे में ये डिस्पर्स होते हैं होल लेंथ में. हेट्रोक्रोमेटिन सेंट्रोमेरिक हेट्रोक्रोमेटिन पूरे में डिस्पर्स होते हैं अलोंग देयर होल लेंथ टू विच द स्पिंडल अटैच, जहां से स्पिंडल अटैच होता है. Now, chromosome with numerous centromeres can frequently form in mammalian tissue culture cell. क्रोमोसोम जिसका बहुत ज्यादा न्यूमरस सेंट्रोमियर्स है फ्रीक्वेंटली कहाँ दिखता है, मेमेलियन के टिश्यू कल्चर सेल में. And about the kind of heterochromatin which are located in the centromere on a chromosome is known as a centric, which are present on the center is known as a centric heterochromatin. So it is a tightly packed form of DNA. Heterochromatin is a packed form of DNA which plays an important role in forming a active centromeres. So it help the chromosome segregation centric heterochromatin packed DNA, so help in the segregation separation during cell division, separation of chromosome during cell division. So why it is called centric, इसको centric heterochromatin क्यों कहते हैं, क्योंकि ये सेंटर में है, सेंट्रल रीजन ऑफ क्रोमोसोम है. हेट्रोक्रोमेटिन इसको क्यों कहते हैं, क्योंकि ये डेंसली पैक्ड डीएनए है, ये ट्रांसक्रिप्शनली रिग्रेस नेचर का है और ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ रीजन ऑफ द जीनोम है. Now, this form of heterochromatin ensure chromosome integrity and the proper segregation separation of chromosome during mitosis and meiosis by providing structural basis for the kinetochore. Kinetochore क्या है? प्रोटीन कॉम्प्लेक्स जो अटैच करता है पी माइक्रोट्यूबुल्स को. इट इज वेरी अगेन इम्पोर्टेंट PYQ. सो हेट्रोसेंट्रिक हेट्रोक्रोमेटिन क्या प्रोवाइड करता है? प्रॉपर सेपरेशन हो क्रोमोसोम माइटोसिस एंड मियोसिस में, और एक स्ट्रक्चरल बेसिस देता है काइनेटोकोर को, जिस काइनेटोकोर एक प्रोटीन कॉम्प्लेक्स है जो मदद करता है माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स को अटैच करने में. तो सेंट्रोमियर का फंक्शन क्या है? इट प्लेज इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन अडहेशन में एंड सेपरेशन ऑफ सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड्स, क्रोमोसोमल मूवमेंट में, अटैचमेंट ऑफ माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स, रेगुलेशन ऑफ माइटोटिक चेक पॉइंट एंड हेट्रोक्रोमेटिन फॉर्मेशन. कोहेसिन प्रोटीन molecules help in there is a presence of cohesin protein molecules which help in adhering attachment of sister chromatid together. Centromeres also important role in complex signaling, act as a complex signaling hubs that control how quickly the cell cycle progress. When eukaryotic cell divides, centromeres help in the appropriate chromosome alignment and segregation. The centromeres serve as the kinetochore point of attachment, PYQ. Sister chromatids attachment as well as spindle fiber attachment are two of its primary activities. So it helps in the kinetochore point of attachment, sister chromatid attachment, spindle fiber attachment. Centromeres are important for the development of new cell also. The centromere acts as a binding location for two replicated chromosome known as a sister chromatid when the chromosome are copied. It is also PYQ. Centromere acts as a binding location where two replicated chromosome known as a sister chromatid when the chromosome are copied. The centrosome dysfunction result in cancer and miscarriage in women, pregnant women. So it is also PYQ. So centromeres, inner kinetochore, kinetochore has two layers, outer and inner kinetochore. So centromere, inner kinetochore, look at an image, inner kinetochore. Centromere identity, it help in centromere identity, centromeric chromatin, and it is a kinetochore structures forms. Outer kinetochore, so look at an image, outer kinetochore which help in the microtubule binding. Look at image, microtubule binding help in microtubule binding, and it's help is appear during the pro-metaphase congregation phase, and it function is anaphase movement. जब sister chromosome का sister chromatid का movement अलग करने में मदद करता है outer kinetochore, and also help in the किसकी मदद करता है? स्पिंडल अटैचमेंट के लिए. स्पिंडल अटैचमेंट चेक पॉइंट है. So it is an image of centric heterochromatin, centric cohesion made up of centric cohesion protein, and it is a chromosome arms which is a antipole वर्ड फेसेस है, दोनों फेस अपोजिट है, एंड इट इज appeared happen in pro-metaphase congregation periods, and sister, it is made up of sister chromatid help in the sister chromatid cohesion. So heterochromatin versus euchromatin. Heterochromatin DNA is generally not very active. Heterochromatin DNA is generally not very active. In interphase, this type of chromatin are compact. Heterochromatin DNA is generally not very active. In interphase, this type of chromatin are compact. Heterochromatin also have long stretches of repeat sequence, which is called satellite DNA. I will explain satellite DNA also in separate video. So about heterochromatin, the first point, DNA is generally not very active because it is in compact dense form. In interface, this type of chromatin are compact. Heterochromatin also has a long stretches of repeated sequence, which is called satellite DNA. Euchromatin is generally more active. In interface, they are generally not compact, not condensed. It is chromosome telomere ends, telomeres, and orange color layers region indicates heterochromatin, is centromeres, and it is a euchromatin. So euchromatin is generally more active, and they are generally not condensed. Euchromatin and heterochromatin. So euchromatin consists of thin and extended chromatin fibers. Heterochromatin consists of thick and compact chromatin fibers. Euchromatin are uncoiled and scattered in the nucleoplasm. Where it is scattered in the nucleoplasm. Heterochromatin nucleoplasm consists of coiled and localized chromatin fibers. Euchromatin present in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Heterochromatins only in eukaryotes. Only in eukaryotes. It is also one PYQ. Now, eukaryotic forms the bulk of chromatin. It forms a heterochromatin fraction of chromatin. It forms a euchromatin form the most of the nucleus. Eukaryotin. Heterochromatin lie close to the nuclear lamina. So, euchromatin cannot be dyed completely, hence stains slightly because it is uncoiled and scattered in the nucleoplasm. Heterochromatin, it's much color during staining and hence stain deeply or darkly. It is a compact form, condensed form, thick form. So it can be stained and hence stains deeply or darkly. Euchromatin genes are more active because it is present in uncoiled, scattered in the nucleus, thin and extended chromatin fibers. Heterochromatin's genes are less active or inactive because it is present in thick and compact form. Euchromatin genes are more active, so these are transcribed. Heterochromatin genes are not transcribed because it is not active. The replication of euchromatin occurs early in S phase. S phase. Heterochromatin, it replicates late in S phase. PYQ. Euchromatin help in crossing over. Heterochromatin, it is thick compact form. It does not allow crossing over occur in its gene. So heterochromatin in eukaryotic chromosome. Heterochromatin present in eukaryotic chromosome. So image cell and nucleus, and then sister chromatids. Look at image. Then it is a telomere ends which consist of heterochromatin. It is single stranded DNA. It protects the DNA from degradation. Now there is a presence of facultative heterochromatin. Facultative, as the name suggests, is to make convert to euchromatin. Facultative, very important point, PYQ. Facultative heterochromatin, which are able to convert heterochromatin into euchromatin through acetylation or methylation. It's an important PYQ. Now, there is a presence of centromeres. Centromeres constitute heterochromatin. Centromeres also consist of heterochromatin, and it is double-stranded DNA. It binds to kinetochore during mitosis, PYQ. So centromeres bind to kinetochore during mitosis. Again, same image is given, heterochromated, compact and dense form, euchromatin, thin ends. Now, again, image is given about acetylation region with high transcriptional activity and are loosely packed. You can imagine which one it is. You have to just choose. I explain everything. And methylation region with low or no transcriptional activity are densely packed. So which just heterochromatin, euchromatin, you have to just think. I have explained everything. If you do not love me when I am methylated. So which is one is if you do not love me when I am methylated. Condensed form, which one is? Then you don't deserve me when I am accelerated. So euchromatin, it is in relaxed form, thin form. So image is given. loose form. What is kinetochore? Kinetochore in the anaphase of cell division, chromosomal centromeres develop a protein complex which is called a kinetochore, जिससे कि स्पिंडल माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स क्या जुड़ता है काइनेटोकोर से और जो मदद करता है सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड्स को या क्रोमोसोम को सेपरेट होने अलग होने में, कब? एनाफेज स्टेज में. So in contrast to monocentric creatures which have a single place where kinetochores assemble, holocentric animals show kinetochores assemble across the entire chromosome. Again, PYQ, monocentric kinetochore assemble in a single place, monocentric. Holocentric kinetochores assemble across the entire chromosome. Chromatid, kinetochore, centrometric chromatin. Macrotubules, fibrous corona is given, outer plate, inner plate. Kinetochore, outer plate, inner plate, and fibrous corona. Now, kinetochore also helps spindle microtubules connect to the chromosome and which help to holding sister chromatids together with the help of cohesin protein complex. So, kinetochore are two distinct, the inner and outer kinetochore, outer and inner kinetochore. So, outer kinetochore, and then about the inner kinetochore. Monocentric and holocentric. Present in the full area. Centromeres, kinetochore, monocentric in one region. So the two sister chromatids are kept together by inner kinetochore, close association with the centromere region. Inner kinetochore किससे जुड़ा हुआ है? Centromere region से जुड़ा हुआ है. It contains nucleosome. Kinetochore contain करता है nucleosome और जो lack करता है histone H3 को. It's again P by Q. Kinetochore contain nucleosome that lack histone H3 and instead are composed of a specialized histone name is C, E, and P, A. Very important, PYQ. Now the spindle microtubules and the outer kinetochore engage in interaction. एक दूसरे की इंट्रैक्शन में engage रहता है. Spindle microtubules and the outer kinetochore एक दूसरे से इंट्रैक्शन में engage रहता है, means इंट्रैक्शन करता है. So following the breakdown of nuclear envelope, it is assembled on the surface of the chromosome. There are roughly 20 locations for place for kinetochore microtubule anchoring in the outer kinetochore. 20 जगह 20 जगह जहाँ पे kinetochore microtubules outer kinetochore से जुड़ता है. What are the core difference between centromere and kinetochore? Kinetochore is a protein complex that binds to the centromeres, which is a primary reason for condensed chromosome. Under a light microscope, centromere is clearly visible. Whereas the electron microscope में हम kinetochore को देख पाते हैं. Kinetochore के पास one kinetochore complex है, जबकि centromere के दो तरह के हैं, either monocentric है या holocentric है. Monocentric है या holocentric है, इमेज दिया हुआ है. Centromere is made up of centromere किस चीज का बना हुआ है? Centric heterochromatin, whereas the kinetochore is constructed from certain histone subtype. Kinetochore single protein complex is assembled on a specialized region of chromosome which is called centromere. जबकि centromere क्या है? मोनोसेंट्रिक है, जो कि एक ही रीजन में हुआ centromere. अदरवाइज ये क्या है? होलोसेंट्रिक है, जो कि kinetochore डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है पूरे ही क्रोमोसोम में. So its image is given kinetochore and microtubules and then translucent tears, electron microscope में outer plate, inner plate, centromere. And send protein image is given microtubules. Kinetochore is one complex, is a large specific protein which assemble at the centromere region of chromosome, helping the microtubule attachment, help the proper segregation during cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Image is given chromosome, centromere, kinetochore, microtubules, and help in the separation or segregation of chromatid or chromosome during mitosis or meiosis. Centromere type is monocentric and holocentric. Monocentric is common type where is a single centromere present on each chromosome. Single centromere आपको दिख रहा है, ये कहाँ मिलता है? ये vertebrate में है, monocentric fungi में है और मोस्ट प्लांट में भी है. सो मोनोसेंट्रिक है, ये PYQ है. ये इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट PYQ. नाउ काइनेटोकोर सेंट्रोमियर टाइप में काइनेटोकोर मोनोसेंट्रिक में क्या है? एक सिंगल लोकलाइज दिख रहा है काइनेटोकोर जो स्पेसिफिक ओरिजिन में है. स्पेसिफिक रीजन में है। होलोसेंट्रिक क्रोमोसोम क्या है? सेंट्रोमियर कोई लोकलाइज नहीं है, सेंट्रोमियर लोकलाइज नहीं है, सेंट्रोमियर लोकलाइज नहीं है, आप देखिए। सो सेंट्रोमियर्स आर नॉट लोकलाइज टू ए सिंगल स्पेसिफिक रीजन। ये प्रेजेंट होलोसेंट्रिक इसमें है नीमा, नीमाटोडा में, नीमाटोडा एंड सम प्लांट्स में। सो याद रखना HN करके, HN, HN, होलोसेंट्रिक इन नीमाटोडा, HN। सो इस असेंबल्ड है इंटायर लेंथ ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम में। स्पिंडल फाइबर्स क्या होता है? स्पिंडल फाइबर्स बंडल्स ऑफ माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स दैट फॉर्म द स्पिंडल apparatus ड्यूरिंग सेल डिवीजन, माइटोसिस मियोसिस में, और जो मदद करता है क्रोमोसोम को अपोजिट पोल में जाने में ड्यूरिंग एनाफेज। एस्टर क्या है? एक स्टार सेट माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल है, स्ट्रक्चर है जो फॉर्म करता है सेंट्रोसोम में, सेंट्रोसोम से एट द पोल ऑफ द सेल एंड हेल्प टू एंकर द spindle fibers and organize the division process. Spindle fibers are bundle of microtubules that form the spindle apparatus during cell division, helping separation of chromosome to opposite poles of the cell at anaphase stage. It is important PYQ. Now, what is aster? Aster are star set microtubules which form around the centrosome at the which place? Pole of the cell, and help to anchor the spindle fibers and organize the division process. उसको पकड़े रहता है, स्पिंडल फाइबर्स को पकड़ने में मदद करता है। सो लुक एट एन इमेज, इट इज सेंट्रियोल्स एंड देन एस्टर माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स, काइनेटोकोर माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स, सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड्स, spindle pole. So this image are given, and it's about the equator, kinetochore. Centromeres image is given now. Spindle fibers are network of filaments which are called microtubules that help in moving the chromosome during which eukaryotic cell division. During eukaryotic cell division, PYQ again. Spindle fibers formed in mitosis are called mitotic spindle, and when formed in meiosis are called meiotic spindle. Microtubules that form the spindle fibers कहाँ से आता है? सेंट्रोसोम से डेवलप करता है। Then important PYQ. Microtubules that form the spindle fibers come from centrosome. Spindle fiber important role कब करता है? Important role play करता है nuclear division में. Then again PYQ. ये responsible होता है separation of sister chromatid, mitotic और meiotic cell division में. ये भी PYQ इसके रेस्पॉन्सिबल होता है। ये बिगिन कब करता है? इट बिगिन टू फॉर्म ड्यूरिंग द प्रोफेज ऑफ सेल डिवीजन, अगेन PYQ. Spindle fibers begin to form during the prophase of cell division. Then during the metaphase, spindle fibers become visible as they radiate from the centrioles at the opposite poles. So metaphase stage में visible हो जाता है क्योंकि ये radiate करता है कहाँ से? Centrioles at the opposite poles. आप इमेज देखिए, centrioles at the opposite poles. Okay, and spindle pole. Microester macrotubules, polar kinetochore macrotubules, which I am going to explain now. Now the spindle shaped fibers, जो spindle shaped fibers होते हैं इसके types है एस्टर, पोलर, kinetochore, microtubules. स्पिंडल सेप्ट जो फाइबर्स होते हैं वो 97% किस चीज के बने हुए हैं? वो प्रोटीन का नाम है ट्यूब्यूलिन, ट्यूब्यूलिन, अगेन इट इज अ PYQ. एंड 3% किस चीज का बना हुआ है? RNA का, 3% RNA. So spindle fibers, associated proteins, condensed chromosome and centrosome are esters together, help in the cell division. So ester formation कब शुरू होता है? प्रोफेज में, when centriole duplicate and move to opposite pole of animal cell, extending microtubules to form ester, PYQ. Spindle fiber formation occur during the same time, उसी समय spindle fiber बन रहा है. As these ester rays are joined with the chromosome kinetochores to create the spindle apparatus by the end of prophase and into metaphase. So end of prophase में spindle fiber formation होना शुरू करेगा और फिर metaphase की तरफ move कर जाएगा. So ester formation prophase में centriole duplication होता है in animal cell. Centrosome which contain two centrioles, it duplicates. This centrosome moves to opposite end of the cell. Then from the centrosome, microtubules begin to radiate outward, forming a star-shaped structure which is called ester. It's a PYQ. Now, spindle fiber formation from prophase to metaphase, PYQ. So, ester formation, PYQ, prophase, ester, AP, Andhra Pradesh, ester formation, AP, prophase stage, spindle fiber formation, late prophase to metaphase stage. So spindle apparatus assembly as the cell progress from prophase into metaphase, ester continue to grow and form spindle apparatus. It forms spindle apparatus. Kinetochore, it helps in the spindle fibers extend from the pole and attached to kinetochores. A kinetochore is specialized protein which are located at the centromere of chromosome. Now, spindle fiber formation helping the chromosome alignment when metaphase stage में all the chromosome align at the center of the cell, जिसको मेटाफेजिक प्लेट कहते हैं, and attached to the spindle fibers, और ये तैयार हो जाते हैं किसके लिए? अलग होने के लिए, ready for separation. It's again PYQ. So spindle fibers, its formation at the beginning of nuclear division, two wheel-shaped organelles called centrioles position themselves at opposite poles. Opposite poles में centrioles आ जाते हैं at opposite forms and forming two cell poles. On getting signal for cell division, long protein fibers called microtubules extend from the centrioles in all direction, which help in the formation of spindle. So in mitosis, these filaments form at opposite pole of the cell and meet at the which plate? Equatorial plane, metaphasic plate. So together they produce a spindle-shaped structure, which is widest at the spindle-shaped structure, widest at the middle and tapered toward both ends. These are called spindle fibers. So cell movement occurs when how the chromosome का movement कैसे होता है? Cell movement occurs when microtubules of spindle fibers interact with motor proteins. मोटर प्रोटीन्स का नाम क्या है? डाइन्स एंड काइंसिन्स. डाइन्स एंड काइंसिन्स मूव अलोंग माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स causing the spindle fibers to contract, relax. So this diassembly and reassembly of microtubules produce the chromosomal movement which required for cell division. So spindle fibers help in chromosome movement during cell division by attaching to centromeres. Kinetochore produce fibers that attach sister chromatid to the spindle fibers. So these are the protein name PY2, and then kinetochore produce fibers. Who produce fiber? Kinetochores that attach sister chromatids to the spindle fibers. Both the kinetochore and polar microtubules work together. पोलर माइक्रोट्यूबुल्स दोनों ही साथ काम करते हैं. काइनेटोकोर और पोलर माइक्रोट्यूबुल्स जो मदद करते हैं क्रोमोसोम के सेपरेशन में. स्पिंडल फाइबर डू नॉट बाइंड क्रोमोसोम ड्यूरिंग सेल डिवीजन, एक्सटेंड फ्रॉम वन, एक पोल से दूसरे पोल में. सो दिस फाइबर ओवरलैप होगा, पुश होगा एंड देन सेल डिवीजन होगा. सो टाइप्स ऑफ माइटोटिक स्पिंडल, काइनेटोकोर स्पिंडल. काइनेटोकोर स्पिंडल आगे मैंने आपको दिखाया था. काइनेटोकोर स्पिंडल क्या है? और मैक्रोमोलिकुलर कॉम्प्लेक्स है जो असेंबल्ड हो है ऑन ईच क्रोमोसोम. कब? During mitosis, they act as a link between DNA and microtubules. Kinetochore microtubules attach the chromosome to the spindle pole से जोड़ता है और मदद करता है सेपरेट सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड को अलग करने में at the time of cell division. नेक्स्ट इज एस्टर माइक्रोट्यूबुल्स. इसका क्या फंक्शन है? एस्टर माइक्रोट्यूबुल्स रेडियल माइक्रोट्यूबुलर है जो असेंबल्ड होता है किसमें? एनिमल सेल में. क्योंकि बनता कहाँ है? सेंट्रोसोम से. एनिमल सेल में मिलेगा एस्टर. ए फॉर एनिमल सेल. दैट एंकर सपोर्ट करता है स्पिंडल पोल को टू द सेल मेम्ब्रेन में. इट इंश्योर करेक्ट पोजिशनिंग एंड ओरिएंटेशन हो माइटोटिक स्पिंडल एपरेटस का बेस्ड ऑन सेल के पोलैरिटी पे. और ये डिटरमाइन करता है किस तरह का क्लीवेज फरो बनेगा दैट जो तोड़ेगा डिवाइडिंग सेल इन हाफ ड्यूरिंग साइटोकाइनेसिस. सो इट अगेन ए PYQ. एस्टर फॉर्मेशन टेक प्लेस इन centrosome. It help to determine the region of cleavage furrow that split the dividing cell in half during cytokinesis, cell division. Now, cytoplasm division. Polar microtubules is spindle microtubules. Look at image. Polar microtubules are called polar microtubules because they are not attached to the chromosome. They are not, it's an important point. Polar microtubules are not attached to the chromosome, are called polar microtubules. They overlap at the spindle width zone and push the spindle poles apart via मोटर प्रोटीन्स कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू सेल के इलोंगेशन में मदद करता है. सो दे ओवरलैप एट द लोकेटेड इमेज. ओवरलैप होता है और इस क्या करेगा, ओवरलैप एट द स्पिंडल मिड जोन में एंड पुट द स्पिंडल पोल्स अपार्ट. मदद किसके मदद से, मोटे प्रोटीन की मदद से, जिससे कि सेल का इलोंगेशन होगा और फिर डिवीजन में मदद करेंगे. सो स्पिंडल फाइबर फंक्शन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन माइटोसिस. They remain active during this phase or equally divide the chromosome in a parenting cell into two daughter cell. So prophase phase में spindle fiber का क्या रोल है? Spindle fiber start to form the centriole at the opposite pole of the cell. यहाँ पे centriole में prophase बनना शुरू हो जाता है. In animal cell, the mitotic spindle appeared as a aster that surround its centriole pair. Again, PYQ. The sister chromatids attach to spindle fiber at their kinetochore during this phase. Also, the cell elongates as a spindle fiber stretch from each pole. So it's again a प्रोफेज स्टेज में क्या हो रहा है, सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड अटैच होता है स्पिंडल फाइबर से. कहाँ पे, काइनेटोकोर से प्रोफेज स्टेज में. मेटाफेज स्टेज में माइटोटिक स्पिंडल एक्सटेंड कर गया ईच पोल में और ये क्रिएट करता है टेंशन को. एज ए रिजल्ट क्रोमोसोम क्या आ जाता है, मेटाफेजिक प्लेट में मिडिल में आ जाता है. Microtubules from opposite spindle poles get attached to the sister chromatids of each chromosome. और मेटाफेज में स्पिंडल हैज अटैच ऑल द क्रोमोसोम और अरेंज क्या कर देता है, मिडिल में आ जाता है क्रोमोसोम. सो मेकिंग इट रेडी फॉर सेल डिवीजन. इट्स ए important point again. A spindle has attached all the chromosome on the middle and making it ready for division. Anaphase stage, a spindle fiber attached to a protein complex kinetochore attachment prophase में ही हो जा रहा है. They either generate or transduce force लगाता है कि separation हो, segregation हो and move sister chromatids to their opposite poles. Interpolar microtubules help करता है lengthening and elongation of cell to provide room for cell division. सो कौन मदद करता है, इंटरपोलर माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स. टीलोफेज में सेपरेटेड सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड सेपरेट हो गया, उसको हम डॉटर क्रोमोसोम कह रहे हैं और ये अपोजिट पोल में पहुंच जाएगा और फिर ये इंक्लोज हो जाएगा टू न्यू न्यूक्लियाई से और स्पिंडल फाइबर्स डिसअपियर कब हो गया, टीलोफेज में. PYQ. सो साइटोसाइट इसके बाद साइटोकाइनेसिस हुआ, साइटोप्लाज्म डिवाइड किया, दो न्यू डॉटर सेल फॉर्म्ड हुआ विद एन इक्वल नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम. स्पिंडल फाइबर ensured this process. Again, PYQ. So telophase stage, cytokinesis take place. Look at an image. In this process, the cytokinesis take place, the division of cell into two daughter cells, and all the both the daughter cell contain the same genetic makeup. So mitosis, that is previously we have seen mitosis. Mitosis, one karyokinesis, one cytokinesis, it give rise to two identical cell, two daughter cell, two haploid daughter cell. It is a mitosis. One karyokinesis, one cytokinesis and give rise to two daughter cell. Nuclear division, cytoplasmic division and two daughter cell. In meiosis, look at an image. Two karyokinesis take place. Two cytokinesis take place. It gives rise to four unique gametes, four unique haploid cell. So, it becomes haploid. Mitosis 2n into 2n. Meiosis diploid becomes diploid. Meiosis diploid become haploid. These are the importance of this division, mitosis, meiosis. So karyokinesis is the division of cell nucleus, while cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm, which we have seen in the previous slide along with the video. Cytokinesis typically following cytokinesis के बाद karyokinesis होता है. Karyokinesis में क्या हो रहा है, सेल की nucleus divide हो रहा है to complete cell division. Karyokinesis result in two daughter cell nuclei, where cytokinesis create two daughter cell which each containing its own nucleus and organelles. So karyonucleus, cytocell. So karyokinesis nuclear division, cytokinesis cell division. So end result of karyokinesis हमें two identical nuclei मिलता है, two haploid nuclei मिलता है, जिसके पास duplicated chromosome है, four haploid nuclei मिलेगा with single chromatid. Cytokinesis, cytoplasmic division हुआ, occur once, forms two identical diploid cell, occur after telophase stage. One forms two haploid cell, occur after telophase, two forms four haploid gametes. It is a meiosis 1 and 2. Mechanism of cytokinesis in animals, by it forms by cleavage furrow formation, formation, and by cytokinesis in plants by cell plate formation. And genetic outcome, daughter cell are genetically identical to parent cell, daughter cell are genetically different due to crossing overs. Daughter cell are genetically identical to parent cell, but there is some variation also happen because of the crossing over. Daughter cell remain haploid and unique. So karyokinesis, cytokinesis, division of nucleus into two daughter cell, two daughter nuclei. Cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm into two daughter cell occur first. karyokinesis पहले होता है, न्यूक्लियस का डिवीजन पहले होगा, तभी तो साइटोप्लाज्म का डिवीजन होगा. और इट आफ्टर साइटोकाइनेसिस अकर आफ्टर कैरियोकाइनेसिस, जिससे कि दो गैमेट्स बन जाएंगे. कैरियोकाइनेसिस में क्रोमोसोम का सेपरेशन नहीं होता है, साइटोकाइनेसिस में सेपरेशन होता है सेल ऑर्गेनेल का, साइटोप्लाज्म का. कैरियोकाइनेसिस प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज, टीलोफेज. साइटोकाइनेसिस जो है सिंगल स्टेप प्रोसेस है जो कि टीलोफेज के बाद होता है, तो जहां पे डिवीजन ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म होगा, टू डॉटर सेल बनेंगे. कैरियोकाइनेसिस में स्ट्रक्चर इन्वॉल्व स्पिंडल फाइबर, क्रोमोसोम, सेंट्रोमियर, काइनेटोकोर, जो हमने समझा. साइटोकाइनेसिस सेल मेम्ब्रेन इन्वॉल्व इन एनिमल्स में और सेल प्लेट इन प्लांट्स में. दिस आई विल मेक सेपरेट वीडियो. सेल मेम्ब्रेन इन्वॉल्व साइटोकाइनेसिस इन एनिमल्स एंड सेल प्लेट इन प्लांट्स. कैरियोकाइनेसिस से टू डॉटर न्यूक्लियोइड फॉर्म होता है एंड साइटोकाइनेसिस से टू डॉटर सेल फॉर्म होता है, टू डॉटर सेल फॉर्म होता है. ये अकर्स करता है भाया स्पिंडल apparatus. इट साइटोकाइनेसिस में अकर करता है बाय क्लीवेज फॉर्मेशन से. इट अकर बाय सेल प्लेट फॉर्मेशन. So mitosis, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 purpose to mitosis to produce two identical diploid daughter cell. Meiosis 1 to reduce chromosome number to diploid to haploid. Meiosis 2 to separate two sister chromatid like mitosis. Mitosis, number of nuclear division 1, meiosis 1 first nuclear division, meiosis 2 second nuclear division. Chromosome behavior in karyokinesis in mitosis 2n into 2n. Chromosome replicate once, divide once. Meiosis 1 homologous chromosome separate 2n into n. Diploid into haploids. Meiosis 2 sister chromatid separate n into n. Spindle fibers are composed of microtubules which are protein filaments, and it arise from centrosome at the pole of cell during mitosis, meiosis, which we have learned also attached to the chromosome and pull them apart, ensuring each daughter cell receive a complete set of chromosome PYQ. Now, aster are star-shaped structure of microtubules that radiate outward from the centromeres in animal cell PYQ. It are found in animal cell at each pole of the dividing cells surrounding the centrosome. It is also PYQ. Aster locate the spindle and play important role in organization of spindle fibers, and also aster help in the cytokinesis. Very important point. PYQ, division of the cytoplasm. So what are the relation between aster and spindle fibers? Aster are microtubule arrays. They radiate from centrosome. PYQ. Then spindle fibers are microtubules that grow between these aster and attach to the chromosome, forming the spindle apparatus. So spindles and microtubules that grow between these aster. Clear? I explained they attach to the chromosome and then help in the formation of spindle apparatus. Together, they are entire spindle structure, which is important for accurate chromosome separation during cell division. Centrioles, aster, spindle fiber, aster, central condensing chromosome, nuclear late prophase stage, aster, polar microtubule, kinetochore microtubule, T structure, centrosome. So PYQ is given. The centromere is required for movement of chromosome towards pole. Which of the following is true about centromere? So it holds two chromatids together. The position of the centromere determines shape of the chromosome. A chromosome with centromere at the middle is called meta. M for meta, M for middle. A chromosome with the telocentric near one end forming a long arrow and short arrow. So we know very well which one is a. Now, centromere is a constructed region of chromosome that separate it into short arm and long arm. During cell division, the chromosome first replicate. That is, daughter cell receive a complete set of chromosome. Following DNA replication, the chromosome consists of two identical structures, sister chromatid, which are joined at centromere. It is a PYQ. This is the reason I have काइनेटोकोर. नाउ सेंट्रल रीजन ऑफ द काइनेटोकोर क्या है? आंसर देखिए. इसके बाद द स्ट्रक्चर दैट अटैचेस स्पिंडल फाइबर्स टू द क्रोमोसोम ड्यूरिंग स्पिंडल फाइबर्स, वो कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर है? टू ड्यूरिंग मेटाफेज स्पिंडल फाइबर्स अटैच टू क्रोमोसोम बाई. कैसे? which of the following is absent in prokaryotic chromosome? It's very important question, very important question. Which is absent in prokaryotic chromosome? Now, kinetochore is first visible in which stage of mitosis? I explained you. Kinetochore is a complex protein structure that forms on the centromere of a chromosome, serve as the attachment point for spindle microtubules during cell division. So its primary function to help in the separation of chromosome into daughter cell by linking them to the spindle fibers and acting as a signaling verb. Now, aster are formed from where? I explained also. Function of aster during cell division are in plant cell aster are Now the term amphiesteral spindle indicates this. I never explain. I will explain in the next video. So amphiesteral means spindle with amphi means two. Amphi means two. Aster are composed of. Now just you look at and just read all. Aster formation during cell division involve the centrosome organizing microtubules into star-shaped structure in animal cell during the prophase stage of mitosis, which I already explained this, PYQ. So centrosome duplicates, moves to opposite pole of the cell, and its centriole serves as a microtubule organizing center. Centriole serves as a microtubule organizing center, PYQ, which help in the growth of microtubules. So this help in the aster for rays formation to guide the chromosome from the mitotic spindle and their help in the proper separation. Spindle fibers mainly composed of, I explained already, which composed of which type of protein. Spindle apparatus is essential for, this one also I explained, which are the following phase so complete formation of spindle fibers. Which phase there is a complete formation of spindle fibers take place. Now, the spindle fibers disappear during when it disappear. I explained this one also. In animal cell, spindle formation begins from where? Now spindle fibers from microtubules, which are protein structure composed of tubulin protein and extend from the centrosome in the cell during mitosis meiosis. So it is a PYQ, and then centrosome move to opposite pole of the cell and elongating microtubules from the spindle apparatus. So these fiber attach to the chromosome at their kinetochore, which are located on the centromeres and help in the separation of chromosome. So these are about that we have learned. Kindly practice all the PYQ and the important points which I have explained you. Next series we will learn next new point.